Today, I want to talk about insurance. And you may be thinking, Stacey, you're a real estate agent. You're not an insurance agent. What could you possibly talk or know about insurance? You are correct, but hang with me till the end and I'll explain how I can bring value as a real estate agent about your insurance. But I want to first talk about some tips and just some things to think about that might help some of you. So the first thing is know your policy. My husband is a roofer, and it's crazy how many people do not know what their deductible is, what their insurance covers, and just to be all transparency, I'm one of them. I hate insurance documents. I don't like looking at them, but make sure you know your policy. Secondly, a lot of people, my rates doubled this year. Doubled, didn't increase, doubled. I kind of feel like it's the Dish Direct TV era where, they don't care about loyal customers. The longer you're with them, the more your rates go up. And that's what's happening with insurance. So I definitely would be shopping every year and making sure you're getting the best deal with the best coverage and knowing what your deductible is. So the other thing that I can do to help you and bring value as a real estate agent, 3 out of 4 homeowners are underinsured. So what does that mean? If you look at your policy, you have a number that it says that if, God forbid, something happens to your house and it completely is destroyed, that is the amount that they will give you to replace your home. And what a lot of people think is it's that number should be what their home is worth, what they can sell it for. That is not the case. It is not the market value of your house, because that's not what it's going to cost to rebuild it. So if you are unsure of what the average new builds are in your area, please reach out and I would be happy to research and give you a range. For example, you can't build a house for $100 per square foot. I mean, at least in the areas that I've looked at. So, we have average home per square footage. We have high-end finishes per square footage, but you need to know what that number is to make sure that you are not underinsured and not that 3 out of 4. And that's what happened in California. They had, the fires and people lost their homes. Well, with rising prices, those have increased. Building materials, and it's really building materials have increased. And, I built in 2023 and they're crazy. But building prices have increased, but they haven't adjusted your cost replacement on your insurance. And that's why a lot of people are moving out of California, because they can't afford to rebuild because their insurance didn't cover it. So that is really, really important. But this is really why I want to talk about insurance today. 2 things that can help you if, God forbid, a tragedy does occur. And actually, one of my clients was sitting next to an insurance guy and gave her this tip, and I thought that was great. I'm like, I'm going to do this because this makes so much sense. Because when something like that happens, you're not thinking, you can't remember things. And he suggested videotaping everything in your house so that you have documentation of what is actually in your house, so that you have proof when they go through to do the contents. Here's another tip. So this new program, this is a free gift to all of you. So I'm super excited to share it with you. And this is just one very cool tool aspect of this program, but it's called a Homeowners Hub. And I'm going to provide the link, but you can go to this, you can subscribe to this Homeowners Hub and sign in, and you can upload all of your documentation for your home, your appliances, your furniture, anything you do to the house. You can have all of your paperwork for your house in one place. And I don't know if you guys are like me, but I can get pretty scattered. Like, I do have a really nice filing cabinet that I try to file everything in, but I get busy and then paper gets here. So if I can take that paper and easily just scan it when I get it, and I can have it all in one place, I love the organization of that. Now, once again, there's some awesome features that I'm going to share with you over the next few weeks. That is why you need to hit that like, follow, subscribe button, and then click the link that I'm going to provide in the description or the comments so that you can get your own Homeowners Hub today. Thanks, and have a great day.